Well, in June, the U.S. labor market decreased for the first time since the pandemic. The August job report shows employers are pulling back on hiring. ABC's Karen Travers breaks down the latest report.
This morning, a new jobs report confirms employers are dramatically slowing down their hiring. The Labor Department out with numbers showing only 22,000 jobs were added in August, and revisions to June numbers now reflect a loss of 13,000 jobs. That marks the first time the economy has lost jobs since December 2020, during the height of the pandemic. The unemployment rate ticked up to 4.3%, which is also the highest rate in nearly 4 years.
Inflation is low and economic growth is solid. Income growth is solid as well. So that the only part of the data that's disappointing is that the jobs numbers have been a little bit lower over the last 3 or 4 months.
The July report showed a slowdown in job growth and a rise in unemployment. The BLS July figures also included big revisions to the June and May reports, which went down by a combined 258,000 jobs from earlier announced levels.
These numbers tell us that the economy has basically been treading water. Not just this past month, but really since the beginning of the summer.
This is also the first jobs report since President Trump fired the head of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the president claiming without any evidence that the July data was manipulated to make him look bad. During a White House dinner with tech leaders last night, the president was asked whether he would commit to saying the data in today's jobs report would be credible.
I don't know, they come out tomorrow, but the real numbers that I'm talking about are going to be whatever it is, but will be in a year from now when these monstrous, huge, beautiful places, they're palaces of genius. And when they start opening up, you're seeing, I think you'll see job numbers that are going to be absolutely incredible.
Wall Street opened higher on the weak jobs report. The worse than expected hiring could cement an interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve in just a couple of weeks, something President Trump has been pushing for months. Karen Travers, ABC News, the White House.